Let's go. I mean, it's still bumpy, but it's lighter. Check everything. Oh, like that. It's on. That's on.
Take off flaps.
I always check on the first flight.
Oh yeah.
After
You never
in.
know, dude. Transport shit. If
Right.
you knock that plastic arm off the elevator.
Right.
You go up and one elevator's working.
And that I've seen it happen.
It always happens on transport. The light looks good in that one.
Yeah, especially at night.
Timer cleared.
This is the long. This is the big pack. So we can go for the full 3 minutes. We got and the good thing is the air is cool, so it'll cool off the pack.
Gear up, flaps up.
Little bumpy, huh?
A little bit. This usually doesn't bump around at all, so if it is, you know it is. Crank it up a little more just to see if it takes it out. Turned up the gyro a little bit.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Nice down there.
Yeah. It all.
Fleet Week this year is going to be hell of a.
Oh, it's going to be good with the 35. That's what I like about this plane with the extra weight.
Well, yeah.
You're able to get that energy back and climb.
When you work that momentum, it would be hella fat.
Yeah. And I'm able to get most of it back here at the end. And not have to force it around, you know.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Go right in the move.
Yeah. There's just something about the profile of this plane that I really like.
No, it looks scale for sure. That and the 22 just have great profile.
Yeah. Do one more pass and then you're ready to come in. Alright, let's come on in.
I love the F-15 on those videos, on those mock loops.
Oh yeah.
7, 6.
They've been coming through Star Wars Canyon too.
3,
Where's that?
2,
Here in Death Valley.
1. Landing
no
flaps.
shit.
Time expired.
Yeah, weather's better right now. Still a little bumpy, but not as bumpy. Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, I love that. Perfecto.
That's always the go-to on a windy day.
Flaps up.
Yeah, I'm gonna fly the F-18. I want to see that.
You know what, dude? I'll fly the F-16 with you.
Okay. Good. It's a good match. Same power setup.